Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by gathering precise ingredients for JJ's signature Maddie in Heaven Sundae Milkshake. Measure 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 1 shot, 30 ml hot espresso cooled to warm, 3 tablespoons caramel sauce, and 1/4 cup crushed salted pretzels. Chill a 16-ounce mason jar for 10 minutes so the shake stays cold longer. Keep 1/2 cup heavy cream in the fridge until ready. You will whip it to soft peaks for the topping. Have a small pinch of flaky salt and a few whole pretzels for garnish. Combine the shake components in a blender. Add 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 1 shot, 30 ml cooled espresso, and 2 tablespoons caramel sauce. Blend on medium power for about 20 seconds until smooth but still thick. Avoid overblending to preserve creaminess. Pour half the mixture into the chilled 16-ounce jar, then sprinkle 2 tablespoons crushed salted pretzels for texture. Add the remaining shake and finish with a drizzle of 1 tablespoon caramel and a light pinch of flaky salt to enhance the sweet-salty balance. Whip 1/2 cup heavy cream with 1 teaspoon granulated sugar until soft peaks form and the cream holds gentle shape. Spoon or pipe the whipped cream over the top of your assembled shake. Add 2 whole pretzels upright for a dramatic signature look, and swirl an extra teaspoon of caramel over the cream. Insert a wide straw and a long spoon and serve immediately in the 16-ounce jar so the texture stays thick and cold. Advise customers to enjoy within 10 minutes for best contrast of crunch and cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.